Easy.
All right, just remind me.
All right. So we good?
Are we fine?
Are we recording over there?
We okay?
Okay, silent.
Is that a Pizza Hut? Never ignore me.
Who is it? Levi's?
Levi's. It's a Pizza
It's a
Hut.
barber hat.
You know what's ironic about Levi? Is that he wears Wranglers. You didn't get it? Levi's, Wranglers.
That's good.
Welcome to Insurance Talk.
And this is Insurance Talk 2022. And we're here with Kassandra
Carrazco.
Kassandra Carrazco from
The Realty Agency.
TRA, right? The Realty Agency. Our neighbors across the street. We're located here at 449 West 20th Place, Suite A. 928-783-1000 for all your insurance needs. But what are we here to talk about today, Diana?
We're here to talk about Kassandra.
Little
old Cassie in the home market.
We're here to talk about the home market.
Yeah, the home market, and we're in the middle of the year, June.
That's right.
Yeah, 2022 is halfway done, and we got 6 months left. Now, here's a big question for you, Kassandra. What's going on in the housing market? Why are people starting to make different faces about the buying process, interest rates, and how much inventory is out there?
So a brief rundown on what's going on with the real estate market is that interest rates are up. That's old news. They've been up for about a month, and people are saying that the real estate market is calming down. I haven't noticed that because unique to Yuma and other military towns, it's PCS season. Don't ask me what that stands for, but
I was about to ask you.
I don't know what PCS stands for, but that means that it's the time of the year where military members get their orders and they have to move to their new duty stations.
Okay.
So people who are
She said duty.
people who are moving here from North Carolina, Japan, wherever,
So basically, people are getting stationed to Yuma and they're actually buying homes.
a lot of them buy. Yeah, so that's kind of what's keeping the market going for now. But at the end of PCS season, which ends around August, I really do think that we're going to see a major shift that maybe other markets are already seeing. As far as inventory goes, I'm seeing a lot more inventory in a lot of homes doing price reductions, something that we haven't seen for like 2 years. You know? You'd list a house and it would sell in 2 days. Now it's taking...
That's what happens when you're
Sorry,
live.
Instagram.
Instagram, you just got dropped.
Oh no.
We lost 2 followers right now. But like you're saying, there's this transition that might be happening towards the end of the summer.
Yeah, and it's because, interest rates are up, and what that means is that a payment that you would have had, for a more expensive home is now the same payment you're going to have for a cheaper home. I don't know if I explained that.
But there's not too many cheap homes out there right now, but you did say
Sure,
that the prices are starting to go down a little bit?
No, not necessarily. Prices are still up because there's still that demand. PCS season, it's still the end of tax season.
Okay.
So people have their, tax refunds that they're investing in real estate with. So there's still some activity. The change is interest rates are higher, so people's buying power is about 20% less.
Wow, that's a big difference.
For example, this is going to give you a really good idea. I closed on a house back in March. The sales price was around $400,000. And I want to say their interest rate was like 3.5%.
Okay.
So their payment was about $2,000 a month.
Okay.
Now, I was talking to a colleague yesterday. She said that her clients are buying a house in San Luis, 4-bedroom, brand new construction, $250,000. And that mortgage payment was $1,800.
Wow.
So almost $2,000 for nearly half the price.
It's a $150,000 difference, and they're only about $200 off
Yes.
on the payment.
Now that depends on a lot of different variables. Maybe my clients had better credit. There's a lot going on here, but still, your buying power is less now.
Now, last year we heard all-time record lows of interest rate, 1% or 2% and stuff like that. Now the average rate is around what, 6?
4.5, 5.
Okay.
If you've got good credit. If you've got bad credit,
It's going to be around 6, right?
6.5.
So what's it looking like for first time home buyers?
First-time home buyers, there's still some programs out there. I always say if you want to get, some down payment assistance, ask your lender because they're the ones who have all that information.
Right.
Unless it's this huge program that has multi-million-dollar budget or nearly billion-dollar budget, if there's just a few $100,000 or even a few million to go around for the entire state, by the time I know about it, that money's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, so your lender will know more about that. But, there's still USDA that is 0% down. San Luis and Somerton are both growing. So there's still a lot of opportunity.
Then there's a lot of new construction. I mean, I have a lot of new homes that are going to be closing on our insurance side.
Right.
Towards the end of July, and they're already asking for evidence of insurance right now in June.
Sometimes they close sooner.
So hopefully the market will continue to produce homes that actually work with the interest rate. But do you expect the interest rate to go up by the end of the year?
Oh yeah, I mean the Federal Reserve is the one who sets the interest rates. So, banks aren't just making it up.
Right.
Yeah.
The bank is purchasing these loans at, whatever interest rate the Fed sets. But then they have to recoup that money by, setting their own interest rates. So that's why, one lender might have a little bit different interest rate than the other lender. They're not all the same, but they're also not, one can't give you 2% and the other one's offering 5%. They're all going to be a few points different. And again, that depends on your specific financial situation.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now, with insurance on our side, we have a lot of new products, Diana. We talked about them on an episode before. New purchases are getting a discount just for being a new purchase on a home. You get a discount on your insurance. We have 3 different companies that we can actually quote your home with. Farmers Flex.
Farmers Flex. We have Economy Express, which is Economy Premier,
Okay.
which is formal signature.
Okay. And then we got the regular formals, which we can do manufactured homes and all of that. A lot of manufactured homes, I know a lot of insurance companies don't do anything over $50,000. We do manufactured homes up to $300,000 in coverage. So that's actually something that's a little bit different compared to our competitors. Cassandra, Diana brought up the new first-time buyers. Is it going to be a little bit harder for them to buy?
It's going to be a little bit harder for everyone to buy, really, unless, again, you've got perfect credit and you have money saved up.
For the down payment?
Not only for the down payment, but let's just say, so the market is changing, right? In the past 2 years, sellers have not been paying closing costs. They haven't been paying for home warranties. I think we're going to start seeing that more often.
Yeah.
So let's just say you get the seller to pay, $3,000 in closing costs.
That'll help you out.
That'll help you out, and you can apply that instead of your down payment, because you should have money saved up for that. Instead of your down payment, you can apply those closing costs towards buy down points.
Okay.
So most lenders offer what's called buy down points, and it's just money that you pay to bring down your interest rate. So
basically you better your credit score by buying points?
You don't better your credit score, you better your interest rate.
Oh, okay.
So here's another example. I had a client years ago who had sold like a trailer or something, maybe a toy hauler. I think he got like 25 grand. And he had this money he was going to put towards his down payment. And his lender was like, no, don't put that money towards your down payment, because that's only going to bring your monthly payment. I think it was going to bring it down like $200.
Okay.
He's like, let's apply this money towards buy down points. And he was able to get that monthly payment down $500.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like Chuck E. Cheese. You use your tickets.
No, it's not like Chuck E. Cheese. No.
Cassandra, we'll have you here again on Insurance Talk to let us know how the market is going. Hopefully we get an update in a month or two from you. Let us know where they can contact you if they have questions about real estate, maybe how to contact somebody that you might refer as a lender. Where can they get a hold of you?
So you can reach me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, email,
Hi,
text,
Instagram.
YouTube. Hi,
smoke
YouTube.
signal. I've got it all. So just
Telegraph.
look me up at Kassandra Carrazco or KassandraCarrazco.com.
It's going to be somewhere around here.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's Cassandra with a K, right?
Cassandra with a K,
Yeah.
Carrazco with a Z. Look me up and you'll
I
find
am
me.
confused at the alphabet today.
It's an algorithm.
Okay.
Okay, so Cassandra Carrazco, your phone number
It's 928-550-0949.
and your email address.
Cassandra at KassandraCarrazco.com.
Okay, sounds good. Where can they reach us, Diana?
At 928-783-1000 or our San Luis location, 928-627-8000.
See you guys next time on Insurance Talk.